Welcome to the Art of Innovation, where cutting edge technology meets traditional craftsmanship. As we deep dive into the mesmerizing world of mud pipe production in this mega factory, where precision and expertise converge to create the backbone of modern infrastructure. Raw material collection. The extracted soil from various locations will be transported to the factory and are accumulated into larger heap. The heap will be made free from impurities like stones, gravel, roots, and other unwanted materials. Preparation of mud mixture. Crushers are used to break down large clay particles, enhancing plasticity and promoting a more even distribution of components. Watering the soil is a crucial in clay preparation as it enhances durability, allows proper shaping, and helps in achieving optimal moisture content, ensuring uniformity and structural integrity in the final product. Dry clay mixture will be used along with wet clay to get right consistency for molding. This clay mixture will be moved inside the factory for further processing. Preparation of clay cakes. Once clay mixture is taken into the factory, it will be used in portions for clay grinding. This clay heap is a sandwiched heterogeneous mixture of dry clay, loose clay, wet clay, and red dry sand. This clay mixture will be then taken to the grinding unit for processing. Here, JCBs will be used to dig the sandwiched mixture based on the production requirements. Then, the mixture will be transferred to the grinding site. Next, these clay chunks will be manually pushed into the grinder well to break down into smaller particles. These small chunks will be then transferred to the grinder too using a conveyor belt. The entire processing unit is driven through high voltage electric supply, which helps in running all the heavy machineries in the factory. In grinder 2, these chunks will be sent through a high pressure metal rollers, making it more evenly grinded mixture. Next stage of grinding is done to compress and remove air gaps in the clay, and then it is thrusted out, resulting in a continuous flow of packet clay. This packet clay is cut down manually into cakes. These clay cakes are then transferred using a conveyor belt to the pre-moulding area. Moulding of pipes. The clay cakes are picked from the conveyor belt and manually shifted near moulding machine. Here, the clay cakes will be manually inserted into the mouth of the moulder. The moulder again grinds the cakes into thin layers, which will be sent to the vacuum vessel. When the clay cakes near the moulder are completely filled, the excess will be accumulated aside for later processing. Here, red soil is sprinkled between the cakes to create non-sticky layers. The pressure created inside the vacuum will be used to blow the clay with water, which is placed on the mold. Here, the water is circulated to the vacuum using compressor to create enough moisture to the pipes required for molding. The molded pipes will be blown out through the nozzle, which will be of required dimensions. This machine is capable of producing 100 pipes per hour and around 800 pipes per day. The pipes will be then taken to drying area, where the edges will be trimmed and are allowed for drying.